Welcome back to Easy Driver. We're continuing our tire maintenance series with even more valuable tips to make your road trip a breeze. In this video, which is part 2, we'll delve deeper into ensuring your tires are ready for the adventure ahead. Don't miss out on these essential insights. Comment, like, share, and subscribe to stay informed and keep your wheels rolling smoothly. Professional wheel alignment versus DIY. While some minor alignment adjustments can be done at home, it is recommended to seek professional help for accurate and long-lasting results. Here's why. Precision and expertise. Professional alignment technicians have the necessary expertise, specialized equipment, and knowledge to make precise adjustments based on your vehicle's specifications. Comprehensive evaluation. During a professional alignment service, the technicians will perform a thorough inspection of the suspension components, steering system, and other related parts to identify and address any underlying issues that may contribute to misalignment. 3. Save time and money. DIY alignment attempts can be time-consuming and may not yield precise results. A professional alignment service ensures a thorough and efficient adjustment, potentially saving you from further damage and expenses down the road. Opting for professional wheel alignment will provide you with peace of mind, knowing that your wheels are properly aligned, enhancing your vehicle's performance, safety, and overall driving experience. Remember, maintaining proper wheel alignment is not just essential for your road trip but also for the longevity of your vehicle. By addressing any alignment issues promptly and consulting professionals when needed, you can ensure a smoother and more enjoyable journey. Regularly inspect for damage or punctures. Ensuring the safety and reliability of your vehicle's tires is crucial, especially when embarking on a road trip. Regularly inspecting your tires for any damage or punctures is a fundamental aspect of tire maintenance. By identifying and addressing issues early on, you can avoid potential hazards and costly repairs down the road. Visual inspection of tires. A visual inspection is the first step in determining the condition of your tires. Take a few minutes to visually examine each tire, paying close attention to the following aspects. 1. Tire pressure. Check if all tires are inflated to the manufacturer's recommendation. Underinflated or overinflated tires can cause uneven wear and reduce fuel efficiency. Tread depth. Evaluate the tread depth by using a tread depth gauge or the penny test. Insert a penny into the tread grooves with the head of the penny facing down. If you can see the top of head, it's a sign that the tread is worn and requires replacement. Cracks or bulges. Inspect the sidewalls for any visible cracks, cuts, or bulges. These can indicate structural damage or weakness, posing a potential risk of tire failure. How to identify tire damage. While conducting a visual inspection, keep an eye out for the following signs of tire damage. 1. Cuts or tears. Look for any cuts or tears on the tire surface. These can occur due to sharp objects on the road or contact with curbs. If the damage is severe or exposes the underlying layers, it's essential to replace the tire. Nails or foreign objects. Check for nails, screws, or any other foreign objects embedded in the tire. Even small punctures can lead to slow leaks or contribute to a sudden blowout. Uneven wear patterns. Examine the tread for signs of uneven wear. This can be indicated by excessive wear on one side, in the center, or in specific tread blocks. Uneven wear may suggest misalignment, suspension issues, or improper tire rotation. Fixing punctures or damaged tires. If you discover a minor puncture or damage that can be repaired, it's important to address it promptly. Here's a general guideline on how to fix punctures or damaged tires. Assess the damage. Determine if the puncture is repairable and within the guidelines of the tire manufacturer. Some punctures close to the sidewall or larger than a certain size may require tire replacement instead. Consult a professional. For most tire repairs, it's recommended to seek the assistance of a professional tire technician. They have the expertise and necessary tools to properly patch or plug the puncture, ensuring a reliable repair. Temporary fixes. In emergency situations, you can use a tire repair kit with a sealant and a portable air compressor. These kits are designed for temporary use until you can reach a tire repair shop. However, keep in mind that this is not a permanent solution and the tire should be professionally inspected and repaired as soon as possible. Remember, when it comes to tire maintenance, prevention is key. Regularly inspecting your tires, promptly addressing any damage or punctures, and seeking professional help when needed will help ensure a safe and enjoyable road trip experience. Stay tuned for the remaining tire maintenance tips for your next adventure. Section: Keep an eye on tire balancing. Tire maintenance is a crucial aspect of any road trip. One important aspect to consider is tire balancing. Properly balanced tires can improve your driving experience, extend tire life, and ensure optimal safety on the road. In this section, we will explore what tire balancing is, how to identify the symptoms of unbalanced tires, and the importance of getting your tires balanced at a service center. What is tire balancing? Tire balancing is the process of evenly distributing the weight of a tire and wheel assembly. When tires are mounted on wheels, they may not have an equal weight distribution, resulting in an imbalance. This imbalance can lead to various issues such as uneven tire wear, vibrations, and reduced handling performance. Symptoms of unbalanced tires. Identifying the symptoms of unbalanced tires can help you take timely action to resolve the issue. Here are some signs that your tires may be out of balance. 1. Vibrations. You may feel vibrations in the steering wheel or throughout the vehicle, especially at higher speeds. Uneven tire wear. Uneven wear patterns on your tires, such as feathering or cupping, are indicators of tire imbalance. Steering pull. If your vehicle tends to pull to one side while driving, it could be due to uneven tire balance. 4. Increased fuel consumption. Unbalanced tires increases rolling resistance, leading to poor fuel efficiency and higher fuel consumption. Balancing tires at a service center. While it's possible to balance tires on your own, it is highly recommended to have your tires balanced by professionals at a service center. Trained technicians have the necessary equipment and expertise to ensure accurate and effective tire balancing. During the tire balancing process, the technician will use a computerized balancer to measure the imbalance and determine the optimal placement of counterweights. These counterweights are strategically positioned to balance out the tire and wheel assembly. Regularly visiting a service center for tire balancing not only ensures an improved driving experience but also helps to prolong the lifespan of your tires. Balanced tires distribute the weight evenly, reducing unnecessary stress on the suspension and other components of your vehicle. Remember to consult your owner's manual or a professional to determine the recommended frequency for tire balancing, as it may vary depending on your driving habits and road conditions. In summary, tire balancing is an essential aspect of tire maintenance for road trips. By understanding what tire balancing is, recognizing the symptoms of unbalanced tires, and entrusting the task to a service center, you can enjoy a smoother, safer, and more comfortable journey on your next adventure. Stay tuned for the next section on another important tire maintenance tip. Spare tire readiness. When embarking on a road trip, it's crucial to ensure that your vehicle is equipped with a reliable spare tire in case of emergencies. The last thing you want is to be stranded on the side of the road with a flat tire and no backup plan. That's why spare tire readiness should be one of your top priorities before hitting the road. Importance of a reliable spare tire. Having a reliable spare tire is essential for any road trip. It acts as your safety net in case one of your regular tires gets damaged or goes flat. A spare tire can help you continue your journey without having to wait for roadside assistance or find a nearby repair shop. It provides peace of mind and allows you to handle minor tire issues independently. How to check spare tire condition. Before you embark on your road trip, it's crucial to inspect the condition of your spare tire. Here are a few steps to ensure that your spare tire is roadworthy. 1. Visual inspection. Begin by visually assessing the spare tire for any damage such bulges, cuts, or excessive wear. These issues can compromise its performance and may render it unreliable when you need it the most. Tire pressure. Check the pressure of the spare tire using a tire pressure gauge. Ensure that it is properly inflated to the recommended levels provided by the manufacturer. A tire with incorrect pressure may not provide optimal performance and could potentially lead to further tire damage. 3. Tire tread. Examine the tread depth on the spare tire. It should be in good condition with no signs of excessive wear or uneven wear patterns. Inadequate tread depth can affect traction and compromise your vehicle's stability on the road. Necessary tools for changing a tire. In addition to having a reliable spare tire, it's essential to carry the necessary tools required to change a tire on your road trip. These tools will enable you to handle a tire change efficiently and get back on the road in no time. Here are some must-have tools for changing a tire. Jack. A sturdy, properly functioning car jack is vital for lifting your vehicle off the ground, allowing you to remove the damaged tire and replace it with the spare tire. Lug wrench. This specialized wrench helps you loosen and tighten the lug nuts that secure the tire to the wheel hub. It's important to ensure that the lug wrench matches the size of the lug nuts on your vehicle. Wheel wedges. Placing wheel wedges or chocks around the tire opposite to the one being changed prevents your vehicle from rolling while you're replacing the tire. This provides an added safety measure during the tire changing process. Flashlight. Carrying a reliable flashlight allows you to work on your vehicle's tires, especially during nighttime or low light conditions. It helps you see better and ensures safety during the tire change. By ensuring that you have a reliable spare tire and the necessary tools, you'll be well prepared to handle any unexpected tire issues during your road trip. It's always better to be proactive and ready to tackle such situations, as it guarantees a smoother and more enjoyable journey. In conclusion, taking the time to properly maintain your tires before embarking on a road trip is essential for a safe and smooth journey. By following these 7 tire maintenance tips, you can minimize the risk of encountering tire-related issues, such as flats or blowouts, and ensure optimal performance and longevity of your tires. Remember to regularly check tire pressure, inspect for any signs of damage or wear, rotate tires regularly, and keep them properly inflated. Additionally, don't forget to pack a spare tire, jack, and other necessary tools in case of emergencies. By prioritizing tire maintenance, you can enjoy a worry-free road trip and focus on creating memorable experiences. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe for more videos.